Welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I will be discussing or explaining about the topics which I have mentioned in the previous session, which was on 14 principles of management, which was introduced by Henry Fayol, who was the father of modern management. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First principle is division of work. Means dividing the work into small jobs or small tasks, which will be convenient for the managers to divide the work into every employee of the organization. So that is the meaning of the principle, division of work. Second is authority and responsibility. Authority means giving orders or commands to the employees and obtaining obedience from them. Next is responsibility. Responsibility means the employees of the organization are obligable to accept the work from superiors and also accountable to report them back with the work which was assigned by the superior. So that is known as authority and responsibility. Third principle is discipline. Discipline means the employees must follow the rules and regulations of the organization and also accept the employees' agreement so that they can work in the most efficient and effective manner inside the organization. There will be smooth functioning of the organization. So that is known as discipline. Unity of command. Unity of command means in an organization there will be one and only one boss for the work, to assign work to each and every employees of the organization. So that is known as unity of command. Next is unity of direction. Unity of direction means all the units of the organization must flow towards one single objective or the same objective for the achievement of the goals of the organization. So that is known as unity of direction. Next is sixth principle, that is subordination of individual interest to general or common interest. This means the employers of the organization must accept the suggestions and opinions of the employees or give more priority over the interest of the employees or workers of the organization. So that is known as subordination of individual interest to general or common interest. Next is remuneration of employees. Remuneration of employees means giving compensation and rewards to the employees of the organization for their hard work, so their morale will be increased, such as willingness to work of the employees will be increased. So that is known as the remuneration of employees. Next is centralization and decentralization. Centralization means that inside an organization there will be one authority, such as the higher authority, which have got more power, which has got more authority over the employees, over the departments of the organization. So that is known as centralization. Next is decentralization. Decentralization means distribution of power, resources from higher authority to the lower sections or smaller entities of the organization. So that is known as decentralization. Next is scalar chain. Scalar chain means a formal lines of authority from higher to smaller ranks of the organization. That is known as scalar chain. Means in an organization there will be superiors and subordinates. So it is a formal lines of authority from higher to smaller ranks of the organization. So that is known as scalar chain. Next is order. Order means people and materials must be in the right place at the right time for maximum efficiency. That is the meaning of the principle order. Next is equity. Equity means kindliness from the manager's behaviors to the employees. Means they should treat them well. The employers must treat the employees well. There should be equality among all the employees of the organization. So that is known as equity. Next is stability of personnel. Stability of personnel means the managers or the organization or the management must focus more on retention than attrition. Means they should train them well in order to remain in the organization. They should encourage them well, they should motivate them well, they should persuade them well in order to remain inside the organization. So that is stability of personnel. Next is initiative. Initiative means both the employers and the employees must take initiatives and also implement ideas inside the organization. So that is known as initiative. Next is the last principle, which is Espirit de Corps. Espirit de Corps means unity is strength. There should be team spirit among the employees of the organization for the smooth functioning of the organization, also to achieve the organizational and individual goals. So Espirit de Corps means unity is strength. So this is all about today's session. So thank you.